What's going on, guys? In today's video we head to Apple Valley to go drive some side-by-sides to celebrate Memorial Day. So while filming drone clips for this video, I actually ended up tipping over the side-by-side on its side. I was taking a turn too quick, looking to see where the drone was, and I ended up turning it on its side. Other than that, and costing me a couple $100 in repairs, it was a great time. I'd highly recommend it, and if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.